everybody, I'm back. And now it's time for my bowling lanes in Arizona. My top 5. I'm going to start with this. Number 5, Mesa East Bowl. Mesa East Bowl is where I used to work at. Nobody's perfect. And yeah, I'll remember this. This is my Brunswick A2 pin setter. Okay, that's number 4. AMF McRae Lanes. That's right. AMF McRae Lanes. That's why. Okay. I forgot to mention. Mesa East Bowl is located in Maricopa County in Arizona. It's 9260 East Broadway Road in Mesa, Arizona. Mesa East Bowl is in McRae Plaza Lanes is located in 3825 Westway Road in Chandler, Arizona. I used to go bowling in 2002 through 2007, I think. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on to number 3. AMF Tempe Village Lanes. That's why I go bowling at. Tempe Village Lanes is located in 4407 South Rural Road in Tempe, Arizona. I will go to bowling pretty soon. Okay, let's move on to number 2. Bolero in Mesa, Arizona, formerly known as Brunswick Mesa. Brunswick, Arizona is located in 1754 West Southern Avenue, Mesa, Arizona. Go to Bolero.com. And last but not least is my hometown is Bolero, Gilbert. Located in Gilbert Town Square. I will go bowling. That's why I will go bowling every Thursdays. It's located in 1160 South Gilbert Road in Gilbert, Arizona. I live. This is in my home. This is our city I live in. What is Gilbert? Brunswick GSX. Okay, that wraps up my top 5 favorite bowling places in Arizona. But until then, take care, everybody.